Semi-finishing is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the process of refining a product to a certain level of completion before the final finishing stage. This process is essential in ensuring that the final product meets the required specifications and standards. Semi-finishing involves the use of various techniques such as grinding, polishing, and sanding to remove any imperfections on the surface of the product. The process also involves the use of specialized tools and equipment to achieve the desired level of smoothness and precision. Semi-finishing is a critical stage in the manufacturing process as it helps to improve the quality of the final product. It ensures that the product is free from any defects and is aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, semi-finishing helps to reduce the time and cost of the final finishing stage, as the product is already refined to a certain level. This process is commonly used in the production of various products such as automotive parts, aerospace components, and medical devices. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality industrial products. The company offers a wide range of services, including semi-finishing, to ensure that their products meet the required standards. Berkness Company has a team of experienced professionals who use the latest technology and equipment to provide high-quality semi-finishing services. The company is committed to providing its clients with the best possible service and ensuring that their products meet the required specifications. If you are interested in learning more about semi-finishing and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information about their services. With Berkness Company, you can be assured of high-quality semi-finishing services that will help you achieve the desired level of precision and quality in your products. FAQs. 1. What is semi-finishing in manufacturing? Semi-finishing is a machining process that involves removing a small amount of material from a workpiece to achieve a smooth surface finish. It is typically done after rough machining and before final finishing to prepare the surface for further processing. 2. What are the benefits of semi-finishing? Semi-finishing offers several benefits in manufacturing, including improved surface finish, reduced tool wear, and increased productivity. By removing a small amount of material, semi-finishing can also help to reduce the risk of surface defects and improve the accuracy of the final product. 3. What are some common techniques used in semi-finishing? There are several techniques used in semi-finishing, including milling, turning, grinding, and honing. Each technique has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of technique will depend on the specific requirements of the workpiece and the desired surface finish. Some common tools used in semi-finishing include carbide inserts, diamond tools, and abrasive wheels. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.